Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Windows 11. Are you ready? Let's get started. So go to Start menu, click on Start menu, and from here you should click on Setting. Okay. As you click on Setting, on the left side we have different options, which is Home, System, Bluetooth, and so on. So at the end, you have an option which is Windows Update. Okay, click on that. As you can see, my Windows is up to date. Last checked today at 9:41 p.m. And also here you have another option which is Advanced option. Here and you can also update optional features, which is here. At the moment there isn't any optional updates available for me, so you have to check if you have any updates. Okay, so once you come on with here, you should click check for updates, and it will be updated according to your Windows yeah version. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. Yes, if you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. That's how you can update Windows 11. See you in the next video.